Hello. Now, good morning, my people. I dey for Ojogba Road, Abi. Ojogba Road, where they go a side, and the bar state. The river where they down that side, they do the road reach the river. But here, na security threat because if they come down from here, people fit attack you. A lot of things fit happen because of the bar state of the road. As you can see, I will see a vehicle take the pass so now under Ekpoma na this place be. So you can draw attention on the state government. So you can see this vehicle in the corner. You see I not get how you want rush reach, how you want fast reach. You must break down, yes, slow down so that may fit pass. At this stage they cause gbege wey men of the underworld fit take advantage, do one or two things wey e no work. Go do dey here now to draw the attention of the state government to this road so that the issue of security wey they talk about not just go buy gun or police dey here. There must be access road. Even for emergency now, police before him pass here for night, him go think am twice because the blood dey run for their veins. So now take a draw attention and NAIJA watch. Now I carry this story come so that those state government go know say this Ujogba road say na very bad road. Say they do reach the bridge, from the bridge come this side. Which side be this one? So come this side, come my back where I dey now. Ekpoma side. Ujogba Ogwa. They go that side. They just from the bridge. They just cut her. So now I think I draw attention of the authority. May you see what is some of us people here they suffer because now then draw my attention because they say they attack them because at the road be. If the contractor where they give this work to chop money, we don't bring am for the executive governor for Edo State, Governor Godwin Nogega Baseke, so that may open book look am, may see how they take award down which is they do. In and so they don't arrange, may can't do palliative. As you can see, you want to use like pass some place here na issue. See all those places where they pass so now. So all those things are dead traps for people. Now insecurity job be that. Meanwhile, would they see they go inside the Ekpoma, more go see. Inside Ujogba. Would they go inside Ujogba now? Now Ujogba a road now would they so. So meanwhile, we want carry our train go that side. Ogwa Road. Now every day so Jogba Ogwa Road. See some of those places way bad. Now bad spot where those men they waka pass. So may the state authority may come to the aid of the people where they here. As now the road that see they so and they take on they go. And a very highly isolated place. Now NAIJA work say carry a train come here. The people carry the waka come meet us say more than carry this waka come give government. So meanwhile we know say government go listen and our obligation as citizens to draw attention of government to area wey not clear because we know say governor not fit do, even local government chairman say not fit dey everywhere. Now report wey they give am na him go work on. So I say road a day now, even me with the risk, the record na risk a day. This Ujogba your road now see day so at the head towards inside Ujogba. So this one one of the things where constitution talk say the people shall be part of their government. Now I mean they do so. If you see and say where they and so flood they day all those place. And it get as a be. So you see everywhere na forest. So they say for Benin, if fowl, cry reach fowl body, the owner will follow and cry. And the people see carry the waka can give NAIJA watch. Now I say okay, me I can't see evidence before me and they talking for court. Now I take come here so. I not carry come, I not from this local government, I don't know yet. Now cry, now carry me, of our people for Edo State. Now carry me, come here. You can see
Igueben
Igbele Road, Eho Road. Yeah. Now the road, because this road, they serve very large numbers of community, as you can see. So they call on the state government, say may come, because who to do this work, you can see. This one, the contractor of this job, so also go prison. So go prison, see job, you carry our money, can't do this kind of job for us. And you expect him to keep quiet. We not keep quiet. Our duty now for us to expose those bad heads where we turn government to money. Say now government be their office. When government gives them work, they not go agree do as people. And some of them see come out and say government not good. They'll say, na lie, not true. Government not really good. Whether not then, now they cause the wahala. You good, government give you work, you not do. You good, which right you get to judge people? So I dey call our governor of Edo State, may he put searchlight, look this work how the first award down after do am, cause na the bridge na dey do am reach the rest. As I still pass through Isi Road just now, from Benin Agbo Road. I enter because insecurity not let me stop there. The job when they do there, may go those state government, may they put searchlight, better searchlight for that job, because that job na job to do to fail. They plan out to fail. If you see the job, you go know wetin I talk. I dey beg Oga Governor, may he make sure say we not get hope for Ministry of Infrastructure again. We not get hope for Ministry of Infrastructure again. So we not get hope on them again. May he select other people wey he trust, make them go look that work, make them that Isi Road. If you from this thing enter from Agbo Road enter, may you go see level of job where they you see how this one take the manager and they go now. You can't run once you are here and you are prone to attack. That Isi Road where they just they do so. Now plan to fail Oga Governor. We dey tell una this one because we no want make this administration fail, and we no want more than they open spend our money anyhow, because our mumu e don do. You say something, say something. We don't see this one now. Now they say Ujogba Road nowadays, so at the year towards Ujogba now. As I reach here, I will feed Edo people the story. Now NAIJA watch, now I get this program. Well, they explain to me. Like say Ujogba Road nowadays, so for Esan West local government area of Edo State.
From Eho, now you go enter they come.
Yes.
You go Bele.
Yes.
Okwa.
Yes.
The contractor do the road reach half for bridge there.
Okay.
From there go, they stop the work.
Okay.
From this Esan West now, they come like this.
Yes.
The road very bad.
Okay.
If they come for night, you don't see where pass this road that they rob, they do bad things on this road. Okay. You know, they see whether the contractor said they give them the work now, it's stop up for front. We never know.
Seriously, Oga, my good people of Edo State, one brings that to our attention, to attention of our government. So I know, say everywhere in our duty. Not my duty to praise anybody, but my duty now to bring our attention of wetin wrong so that he go succeed. If he succeed, me I not get any glory inside. You understand? So don't anybody more I not expect me to say I go dey sing praises. I not sabi sing praises. Now wetin they not do well, wetin they supposed to do they not do. I go draw attention because the more we supposed to do most cases you know they always dey I not go see am. Now people now dey those area. The governor fit from Osadebe Avenue come here, but now people go dey feed them how it happen. But if they feed them wrong thing, he don't know say if they feed them say na wrong information, he don't say and say wetin they tell am na wrong one now. Na duty to act to make sure say all those things. And responsibility of government, make them listen to their own people whenever they draw their attention of what is wrong. You understand? So our wetin they do now to let our governor know wetin it dey happen, so that you see on the heart of the forest for what they call this road again. Igueben Road. We see little here. Now there I see this, so you see a very highly isolated area. Now so those spots just go and locusts they complain over this issue. So they call on the state government to ensure say may come attend to those people, may do this road for them so that see like that place now they say yeah now God them be for this very place. As you can see that vehicle just they manage a con. You see where they pass. See how it pass. See here now as this vehicle they pass at this very spot, so say that they rob for here where as you can really see. I see one cartage just now, your carrier passing, but they draw my attention now. Yeah, two another serious thing. You go see and now say a cartage where they don't use now every days. So governor will draw to your attention. Maybe investigate this road. They have to give an heart. May you heart. It can hold to take to protect the lives of the citizens of this state. Meanwhile, I see the Esan West local government area of Edo State. As we go, I want to go the main town. We'll continue to see everything. And I just watch as I talk since my good boy Edo State. As I talk just now Ujogba day now the main out of Ujogba the community. Today now the market day now the market now they look so now they look now. Naija was carry the waka on this side, so we want to look for some of the locals here. Ask question. May they tell us how the road be. That's Ujogba or Ibele road. How it be. So meanwhile, madam, good morning. Oh. I just see her. Okay, may I look for Sunday house this side. You go. So now I don't follow the name of Ujogba market. You can see this is Ujogba market. So me I near me I take some of the locals there today. And Naija watch. They bring all the news to our doorsteps. Today on the market day. So I want to look for some of the locals interview. Bros, well done. Yes, I want to ask you some questions, sir. You there for Ujogba here?
I will say I
okay, anywhere you stay, not be stranger. I saw you in Nigeria. Now back character, and I go call the person, turn out to stranger. This one Naija watch. Now YouTube if you stay watch them. Now waiting, how long do you stay for here?
Almost 8 years now.
8 years. You also make your own wage very soon. Now this express road, they give us problem. This express road they give people complain here say they give problem.
Yeah.
Now I can't look am. They say thief they thief, yes, many things they happen. Say they don't abandon the road. So now say may you tell us.
Yes, that's true. That's what just be. Many boys outside those stuff so they just stay roads and the correct mentions when they get. They don't blow to them. And the road now they didn't say the road is too small. And now make the road start out in an express. Before the express before, and that could tell us that time when road takes spoil, that's how it takes spoil. When the pass here, now everything call spoil. So now from there I take the road before no see more.
I mean as from there thief can't take over the road.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you return now? I can't say the roads bad well. Because we don't record those bad spots. We see and say normal, not get you run reach. If you reach here, you must slow down.
You must slow down more. Anyway, when they pocket, you must take them.
They must collect them.
Yes.
They say they do kidnapping for there.
Yes.
Okay. What will be your name, Oga?
That's Abdulaziz. Aziz.
Okay, if I talk down, my tongue feel cut.
No, cut.
Okay, well done, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm very grateful.
Okay, sir.
Well done, sir. May I come on my head for son and may go sit down. May I ask you questions, sir? Because I don't feel carry my power made for son. Well done, sir. So now Ujogba day as I talk just now, as the people complain each other, now we'll say more see come here, more come draw the attention of government. More believe say the governor of Edo State never know how the state be. Morning, sir. I don't want to whine. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Sir, I want to know the community where me I dey so. Ujogba. Okay, sir. What are the challenges wey dey this community in terms of road security?
In terms of security,
Oh, you talk last, sir.
Hi, you have been here.
Yes, sir.
The road.
I'll come with you, sir.
The road when we get here, the road no good.
Yes, sir.
Since almost, I can say almost 7 to 8 years now.
Yes.
The road just bad. We don't really very well with the road.
Okay.
If they come, unless we slow down before we feel very well with the road.
Okay.
We don't have to run speed before.
Okay.
And to very well now to do something out for really go and have peace now. They hard us. And as you see before, we don't be like that.
They say that bad road doing not good now. They block people for there. They slow down.
Yeah, they block people. Sometimes they block people.
Okay.
Like all those robbers. Okay. Block people. They don't very well to pass.
Okay, which local government be this?
Esan local government.
Esan West.
Esan West local government.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. May I ask my high chief? Oh, why? That one, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm a stranger to the community.
Okay.
But the way I've seen the road yesterday, I'm so surprised.
Okay, sir.
As such a road is still inside this a large community like this, it is very bad.
Okay, sir. Sir, I know so be a stranger, sir. This these roads I say, I say lead to very big
many
communities.
Yes.
You fit give me some names of the community where it lead to.
As I'm a stranger.
Okay. I go ask. Okay, I bet you be stranger here too, sir.
No.
Oh, why? Double, sir. Now this program on NAIJA Watch. Now Edo people or Edo EDG wey dey abroad. Now then get the program. Why they come open now? Wetin dem dey hear for that side different from wetin their people dey tell them here. Now e go be like say some the people wan dey play them money. E go be like say again e be nice come set am up this station so that they go dey know how e be so that they go fit dey call those wey we elect here say this thing no work for 21st century e still be like this. Na make call dey go for community like here na if better road dey in a day na food go fit come out.
Yes.
Call town.
We don't get better road.
Now for Benin now, they don't fit buy food. No. A fish now for Benin na 1,000 naira.
1,500.
1,500. Even plantain, you no fit buy am. All commodities.
And
everything dey here. No road. Baba, you tell me challenges.
First of all, we don't get better road.
Okay, sir.
But this road is known to Eho, Ebele, Ogwa, Uromi, Agbo, Ujogba.
This same road now.
Yes,
sir.
Igueben. But we don't get better road. And Ugbegun, Ewokimi, this road, Ewosa. The only thing I dey beg them, make they come repair am for us. Make we dey see better road. And we get food. We know dey if you carry am come out, no road where people go come dey buy am. Na be our problem. Even
the farm road says e good motor fit enter.
Motor go dey enter e get where motor dey reach.
Okay.
That will not be problem for that farm own.
Okay.
But the major fault wey dey na be say we no get better road at all.
Okay. What of insecurity? They pose insecurity. They cause security wahala. Those bad road.
Yes, people wey because of the road. People come dey thief for the road every time. Okay. Because the road no good.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
This is my person.
Okay, your name, sir. Okay, don't want, sir. Sir, on why I talk person, I don't remove cap. Because they teach me say if you dey for your elders, you go remove your. Now those ones they don't get respect to.
No.
They don't get respect. Okay, on why I mean the judge and so.
When John go mature, everybody dey papa name. So na so e be. Na where they find themselves.
Don't be like sir.
If you dey ring road now, you go where.
Well done, sir. Your name, sir.
Ilu Sota first.
Okay. This is a NAIJA Watch program. Now YouTube there from the watch and now your pikin, our brothers. Now then we dey Ogbodo Igbo for overseas. Now then gather do this get this channel.
You mean it?
Yes. They call her NAIJA Watch. The purpose say how the thing they have for community they want to hear so that they feel they draw attention because at times who governor feel they tell her lies everyone is well. They will tell am say see this video see how e be. Now as you see here cry for this side, now we come from Benin this morning.
Oh, wow.
Say we can't see how it be. True, as we dey come, we see the road. We even see some bullet this way they don't use. We even stand record them. We take risk, record them. Now I say may I come ask elders or this side. From that side I not see anybody. Even when I see house this way they don't abandon for that area, for those side. So you know, now I say if we reach this side we go ask. So guys, they don't tell many challenges. Maybe your view will see different from their own. Or what you know what make governor do?
My brother, the truth is, government of this country, they know they help the masses at all.
Okay.
They are not helping the masses. With our independence since 1960.
Yes, sir.
Nigeria are not supposed to be like this. From river on this side, now death trap now for this road.
Yes.
Make them find, make them see them.
I see. We don't record down.
Okay.
We'll stop there. We'll
They
scan.
can reach river. From river, we dey ask now. We be Edo State.
No, na come from other country.
Edo State, abi we na Bakassi Sula na we come from. We be Edo State before.
Yes.
But look at the road as it be. Look at the market.
I see the market.
We have a chairman of a local government that came from here, served 8 years. Look at this market, he could not build it. What are we talking about?
Really?
We are deceiving ourselves.
It's true, sir.
So government should wake up, help the masses. Yam when you don leave this market this morning, plantain, cocoyam this morning.
Over 50 vehicles.
To buy am no be the problem, to carry am, the transport na be the problem. So government should please come to our aid. No, we no get arm to carry o. We no dey carry am. Ujogba no be arm carrier. They are peaceful, loving community. So please, government, help us. Obaseki, governor, president, abeg this road make una help us do am.
Thank you, sir.
Water na we no dey talk of water. If we no get borehole, we no dey drink water again.
No light.
Where our river dey, if supposing we go fit say make we go, una go supply. They expect somebody carry water this kind one from source. Na borehole every individual when e fit dey cut. No be who get money go cut borehole. But what of me and all this one? We get money for borehole. Government should please.
Believe.
God go bless una.
Thank
He
you,
go
sir.
well with una.
Amen, sir.
As una dey sing the welfare of people, na so God will seek una welfare.
Amen, sir. Well done, sir. Me I reach the market, me I go see am by myself. And then talk am for court. They say,
where did they watch this one?
sir,
Which network?
YouTube, NAIJA watch. I'll come right and give you.
Abeg.
I'll come right and give you.
Abeg.
Hold on, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, na NAIJA watch o. Na Ojogba market na dey see so. And they say they don get many local government chairman here. But e be like say they never even get councillor before. But you can see for 21st century, for this kind of big community wey go fit feed Edo State as a whole, this kind of market na NCD, na shame on our part. You see, as I ask that man just now, say over 50 vehicles wey come collect foodstuffs here don pass here since. But this market dey generate revenue, nothing dey happen. Local, they get person wey dey represent them for House of Reps, they get senator, and still here nothing is happening. As you can see, I dey presently now for Ojogba market for with NAIJA watch with their train. As I dey talk every time, I say na deliberate. Our leaders dey create poverty for us so that they go fit dey control us. If not, you no fit dey treat people like say they no be human being. This market, local government get many levy wey dem dey collect. Or after even at that, they no fit dey and feel say make dem come build this market for our mothers or for our sisters. But dey good to bring ticket and all kind of levies to them. I dey as I talk say na Ojogba market I dey so I dey report for NAIJA Watch. And wetin make am even make am worse, they get people for Senate, they get for House of Reps, even House of Assembly. But the people not dey feel the impact of leadership or who they elect. See market where they allow our mama, our iye, our sisters, they sell. You not need to say to tell me say people who were elect, they wicked well. Because who know God not go behave like this, they treat people as if say they not be human being. So may I look for some of the people where I go ask question, where go tell me the true situation, how things be. My brother, well done. How about the Rasta man? What a go brother. Root man, what a go. I beg, I don't know where I did so, but I just see my train, NAIJA train, just enter here, NAIJA Watch. I beg, which community I did so, sir? Ojogba. I beg, what challenges that they go to for this market, sir? Okay, just come hustle. Normal. Okay, but the market will do so. Thank you very much. As you can see, even the market, see the abandoned building where they built for this place for our mother to do business. See forest take over. The Mosone pass here, see small gully. Don't they start from here? Now inside the market be this. Where may I go the abandoned building? See market where they live for our mothers, our sisters. Maybe they do it where snake, red ties day. And you can see. Now money you. Now where do? Who go fit talk to me here? I remember if you talk to me here. Now pidgin not be Ebola, not see the one they speak so. And I don't know hard.
Make the come and make the market now.
Okay, what is data pre for Anna? I be near me so that.
I say my the talk.
Okay, I wait you go. Madam, talk to us. Okay. Okay. Now do it. What can I go meet the governor? As I talk to now so with NAIJA Watch now Ojogba market. Now I dey so the wahala wey dey here not be small gbege. My brother face here, make you talk to me.
I say me una come do am for us so that it will.
Now you take government, now government. Me now to come draw attention of government.
I say I dey beg una make una come do am for us.
Okay. Una take get local government chairman here before. Now get local government chairman.
It no work now.
It no work. You never come here one day. And una dey pay levy here. Ticket and other thing. Okay. You see our people dey law abiding o. People wey not dey law abiding are those who give power wey dey rule us. And you can see this Ojogba road wey bad. Now Senator Odia dey follow go house. This road wey bad. This Ojogba road. Now the present Speaker of Edo State Marcus dey follow go house. This road now the House of Representatives president dey present them for House of Reps. Now they pass go house. Now with all this one we be like who get leadership? That question I leave am for us, for those people wey dey here and those wey will give power make dem rule us, make dem answer. My final stage wey I wan talk for this matter, if you know say you build school your pikin no fit go am, you no fit go am, no need. If you know say the market wey you build, wey your wife, your children, your people no fit buy food inside, no need to build am. Because if you know say you wan build market, like a market wey you fit go, na you suppose to build. Me know say una wey we elect na no fit go this market. Iye I come for Benin. This program I call am NAIJA Watch. Na YouTube program. Na una pikin wey dey obodo oyibo na dem get this station. Because the thing wey dey tell dem wey Arioba, those wey na elect, tell dem different from wetin dey ground. Now I come say may we come dey go round so they go know how things be, so that they fit talk to those wey e dey government why e be like this. Iye na Ojogba market a dey so. Wetin be the challenges wey dey this market. Committee say here no be market o, here na Okogbo. Na house wey dey build for farm. Na be this, but here no is our market. But wetin dey build here na make we dey talk am. So iye normally wetin una dey face here, problem, challenges wey una dey face here, wetin una wan make government Obaseki do for una?
Something not the there for here.
Yes.
If you carry yam come here, not the there. If
okay.
you carry garri come, not the here. It's not the there.
Okay.
It's not the there. Now you can do
good market for us.
That's why.
Yes.
Erosion no dey like people see for market. Erosion dey disturb people for market. No shade, even the shade wey dey
follow enter.
Okay.
That place.
I just go check.
Motor no fit enter market.
Una well done o. Thank you ma. Yes ma. Na NAIJA watch I see dey for Ojogba market. Iye Koyo. So mo go you see foodstuffs. For Benin you no fit buy things, but the food garri all full here. What they are asking, they no ask for too much thing. They say give us road, give us market, give us water, so that may all those things fit reach where it's supposed to reach. No, not good. Now make us come so. Now that question. I don't see. It's not good. That's why this.
Vote. If I vote for them, nothing. No company, no CC. We don't get some money to buy something. If you let me come, they beat us for inside market. It's good.
You know, Governor Obaseki, they say when they beat us, they ask you, they say it good.
I vote for
what thing you want do, and they ask you to provide the answer. No hard, not to carry bulldozer, not to come mandate them, make they build market for them. That one go answer some of their questions. He can't tell us say go tie road. He go do am. He go do am. Now because come here so that as he talk am, he not do am. May know say people know say he talk am. So that the sure to say you call me Jogba, you say you go do road, you not do am. Edo people now they listen. My people for Ojogba, my mama, they ask me say whether here na market be like market. So the question be say those of na own elect, our iye, our mother, wey born all of us, wey elect una, they don't ask una this question. The answer we no want make it take. We want get the answer. Whether here be like market, whether here be like town, una do more na provide the answer for the good people of Edo State and for the good people of Ojogba community. Koye, the governor he go see and he go heart. If they no heart, me go dey come here every time to make sure say that they see am. Yes ma'am. Ìláwẹ̀ èrò ọ̀pàrọ̀ ẹ̀rọ àwọ̀ à. Kọ́yè. Okay. Ẹ má wa oyè yìí. Ẹ má wa oyè máa dé wọn nana because one time ma rẹ do ẹ má náà wo oge náà ẹ má yà tóbi máa dé kọ́ọ̀mà. Kọ́ọ̀mà ọ̀wẹ́ ṣe mà wẹ́ I dey round up for Ojogba market so some dey buy o some dey look. Meanwhile na here NAIJA watch and draw the curtain of this movement for Ojogba community. Meanwhile I wan carry this train go other community. Okay, talk.
Our market is not good.
Yes.
When we vote for our government that day,
Yes.
See our road just spoil. From Badago to reach Ogbonna.
Yes.
Our road not good.
Okay.
If you want best something, apart from 5 days,
Yes.
we not go see food bad nowadays.
Yes.
We dey suffer for here.
Okay.
So 6 months dey there for this work, we want make government talk quick. Make things dey there.
Mate is cheap.
Make cheap, make still dey there.
Okay, your name please.
Mrs. Samo.
Okay, thank you, madam. The governor, he go tell the, he go hear am. This program na NAIJA Watch. You go as you type am for phone NAIJA Watch for YouTube, you go see am. Na NAIJA Watch o, na here for Ojogba market. My name na Leftist Amosa. Na here I end this conversation. Meanwhile, I wan move to the next community. Na well done. Right now, I dey Igueben local government and the headquarter of Igueben Gongongon na dey. This job, this signboard now na NDDC signboard for job contract wey dem abandon for some years. The name of the road na Igueben Guest Road na the name of the road. They don abandon am for a long time, and for the record available to us say the job they don complete am, e don finish, and whereas there's nothing on ground. Meanwhile, I go ask some individuals here. My brother, good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yeah, that your name?
My name na Leftist Nabule Larry.
Okay, I know you belong to civil society organization. Which one belong to?
I belong to Edo Civil Society Organization.
Okay. Okay.
So this road, they give us concern.
Okay.
And the reason why the road they give us concern, not pass even for before now, they don't publicize and say they don't complete this road.
Okay.
If you look from the beginning to the end of this road,
yes,
there is no sign say they don't even visit this road.
Okay.
Say they don't even work on this road. Say contractor don't even work on this road.
Yes.
So before we know what to, because when they came, they were actually here. That was when you saw this, some of those things you are seeing. That was
yes.
when they were putting it on. Before we knew what was happening, because it was during campaign period.
Okay.
Before we knew what was happening, they packed their property and they left. We thought that maybe after the election they will come back.
Which of the election was that?
The general election.
Of this very one?
No, 2019 general election.
Okay.
Prior to 2023 general election. So that was when they started this. We thought that maybe after the election they will mobilize
and come back.
All till date. Only for us to see say they don't complete the project. What if they complete for years? Me, I don't know.
Okay.
So this thing they give us concern for the local government. If this Igueben Guest Secondary School Road along Old Agbo Road to Yomo Quarters, Igueben local government.
Okay, more waka go down. Although rain they throw away small. Now the road where NDDC abandon for years for Igueben Guest Road. So now the road under for record now for NDDC. This road they don't complete am, they don't seal am, finish. So now the road they complete. Now say can bring their attention come. Now NAIJA Watch they now this story they say carry their train come here. As you go see now, as you dey see now, na Igueben local government of Edo State na me and dey. Na part of na the road wey NDDC don do say they don conclude the contract. Na be this. So I dey take am go down. As some of the locals, I go ask them questions. They go tell me how it really be. You see the wickedness with their mind. As people, they gave you work, you have refused to do it. And when others say, government bad, though, you see say government bad. Why you go eat people's money, you put on a pocket work you not do? Meanwhile, na NAIJA Watch, you see they for the same road now. That guest road, Igueben Guest Road for Igueben local government. Now we dey so now the job when you see that complete, seal, completed, perfect. Now the job we dey so. So I dey draw attention on the state government. Anybody wey come chop money for this state, so make dey draw the attention on the state government. May e dey see am. So na the road now wey NDDC do na be this o. Wey dem do na be this so. The only thing when I see here say they put gutter and the gutter no e no go, e no come. As I talk so, na Igueben local government are still there. Many things dey happen for this our country. We, our people, I don't know whether they die. They had this question whether the money they carry, everything we mean for this world. Now here one live and put. I think it dey better. May you leave good name for ground. May you leave am for ground. Money not be everything. But for us, I don't look and say we too poor. So tey the only thing we will know na money, and e not good for us as people. That say they give you projects to do. At the end of the day, the project not go, e not come. And you expect say because people don't know where to go and how to report their pens, you just collect money. If you be Christian, you go church, you go carry tattoo, go do thanksgiving, you say God has blessed you. My brother, God has not blessed you. God has cursed you because the people conscience is working against you, because you have stolen from the people. And when you are stealing from the people, you have stolen from God. So now so it be. If you know say this job, now you can't do one for Igueben, I'll go there, go look for the name of the company where run this job. He did that signboard. I'll go there now, go through. But the truth is that we want to bring it to the attention of this state government. Say this road was awarded by NDDC, and on their records, according to the locals here, say this work they don't do one, they don't complete am already. So as we go now the same road I see now still dey so Igueben gets road. So may I see ask the same man wey dey with me that time. So now my guide for here so that he go give me one or two things I need to know. Abeg, what is the name of this contractor wey do this road?
Akpava Integrated
Service.
Yes.
As now the years the name of the person or the company wey do and wey abandon am. So those state government we don't tell you, we don't bring the information before your doorstep. The remaining work na your own. The only thing you need to do as citizen now to ensure say this job they do and we dey monitor the process. As they talk just and I see Igueben local government are there, and this same road now they call Igueben Girls Road. Now very popular road for Igueben. Now NDDC now give the work to one contractor. You know say Sunday they talk and I go they confuse me. But they the signboard, I'll go take am from the signboard. Again my guy knock me the name again.
My name now left.
No, the name of the contracting firm.
Akpava Integrated Service.
Akpava, they tell you our money can't do our job. If you not do our job, we'll use you sing. Cause the area we go collect our money, go sit down for us. It don't pass so. Cause those big men will be belly the car money they run. We no one agree again. We no one agree. Mr. Nabulele, I thank you for your time and effort. We take carry me around Igueben, take me on this road. I appreciate you because not everybody get boldness to face camera to talk. I appreciate you very much. As I'll say thank you again because you know one of few people wey me know wey dey bold to talk the truth as a young man. Because many of our age now don't be coward say na money more, but you throw money matter say the truth, the right thing need to be done. I'm grateful where is NIGERIAN train and NIGERIAN watch. Now I get this program. The code name of this program I want Atamegbe. Now they call her from under Nigeria. My name remain leftist Amosa Igbinowaya, reporting for NIGERIAN watch, reporting from Igueben local government area of Edo State. Thank you very much. Now the same road I dey, I be don cut off this recording. Now the same road where NDDC do, where the commission for Igueben Girls School. Now I be this. Now Igueben local government are there, so now NIGERIAN watch the report. So carry the story can give you now. Say make the whole world know how they cheat us for Edo State. We even Edo State government also take statistics of the road where they give NDDC for the state. Make them say carry people where they supervise and make us supervise their work. But your blood say nobody they supervise work for Edo State. Anybody who just can't do work as here. Now Igueben local government headquarters at the report Igueben Girls road. Now the report so for Edo State of Nigeria. Now Naija watch. Anybody wey get interest in this program, anybody wey get interest in this program, feel subscribe to YouTube, watch am. As I promise you, say this program will continue to dey give una wetin una want. Na inside here for record this matter so for Naija watch, because as I talk, no better sacrifice we go give our people. Na to ensure so they get their basic rights, road, school, road, education, health care. Those one not be those are basic amenities. Now right, not privileges for Nigerians. So we need those things. Make they do am for not say collect money, they not do am. So I use this medium appeal to Edo State government. Say this one they want for Igueben. Make they come, make they go to the records. Who do this road, as we don't mention the name and the signboard did this recording, make them invite them, make those say come inspect this road, make them see things for themselves. As I dey talk so, na the same road where NDDC say dem do Igueben gets a road, na I see dey so. This na another junction for inside, but I'm not sure say they contract this one. This na of the same road where NDDC do. This one na road they say dem do for our people. Me, I know, like Ovia Road, Ogbamudia, na do all till now the road remain where e dey. But our own here, this one will get people wey go school well, wey come develop how to make it easy for ourselves. E come be like say the reason why we go school e dey defeated, and we say we no go gree. As na make Naija watch dey carry a train, dey go everywhere, every corner of those states. Naija watch promise una, they go promise una. My brother dey there na, not me. They promise una say they go carry the news come una. May not say that they lie against them. Na inside this year dey so. Na the same road you see am by Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC). Na they do am. You see am na, everything dey here. The name of the consultants dey here, Marcus also. Marcus Consulting Limited. Now be consultant there.
This one are the phase 2.
Now phase 2 of the job is this. And then see as it did the signboard so Igueben get school road. Now e be so una see those roads where they do award nothing. Now only gutter. Now they don't give us. My brother, may come and talk to me. Talk to me.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
The truth be say this road.
Yes.
Right from this junction to.
Which junction?
This is Idignogo junction. On the same road.
Or the same name of the road, sir.
Yeah, the Igueben Girls Secondary School Road.
Yes.
Now be the name of this road.
Yes.
Right from this junction down to Idumogbo.
Yes.
Is the phase 2 part of the job.
Okay.
This one was contracted to Marcus Consulting Limited.
Yes.
Now he be the contractor wey handle this one. But however, the client, which is the sponsor of the program of the project, now still Niger Delta Development Commission.
Yes.
If you look right from here to where the road ends,
yes,
nothing have been done. They even touch phase 1 at all.
Yes.
The phase 2 part of it, they not touch them.
Yes.
Remember the phase 1 of the road was
by that junction
was contracted to Akpavan Limited.
Yes.
Why this one, which is the phase 2, is contracted to Marcus Consulting Limited.
Okay.
So that is it. Akpavan don't touch. Akpavan even touch your own at all.
He put stone base on now.
He put some shallow base,
stone base.
Whereas this one, you know, even just touch ground at all. And at the end of the day, they came out to tell us that the project they don't complete them. So we are happy to have
Naija
Watch, so that we can tell the whole world the evil done against the average Igueben people.
Okay.
The average Igueben person on this road. Thank you.
Thank you. More waka go down here now. As you can see, now bush part to now only gutter. Now only one side they still put gutter. They just put gutter. They not even put sand. They not put anything. Now only gutter. The tens of millions where NDDC put for this job. Now the only thing will be that Me I show now, me never shock una. Can never see anything at all. Now well done oh. Mama, may I ask them my mama question? Yeah, I have to know, madam. Well done, ma. Yes, ma'am. Well, with the report for this area, we hear say they award this road to NDDC, they not do one. So we hear the matter from Benin. Now NAIJA was say, okay, more come investigate. Now make us come. Madam, you feel remember the year they investigate, where they do the way they abandon this project, this NDDC project for this Igueben Girls College Road?
Nah, it got 2 years oh.
2 years?
Yes oh.
Where they abandon this job?
Yes, they don't do gutter, they go comot.
Yes.
Not everywhere, they don't do this gutter, they go comot.
I bet the name of the road, tell me no bless now, me they make mistake for road.
Nah, digging no go.
The name of this road, they say Igueben College, Igueben Girls, Igueben.
Miss school.
Okay. Thank you very much. So may I reach from here? May I see the progress where they did the road? Okay. Thank you very much, man. See, now road where the where NDDC contract give one company be this, and at the end of the day, nothing happen. Now only gutter they put for a side bush, and they go right say the job has been completed. I go draw attention to those state government, may they come to the aid of those people and whoever is in charge of such contract, we chop our money or take wetin belong to us as our right as Edo people, we take am may come give us back, because na our right to enjoy dividends of na our right to enjoy good governance. So few individuals now tell us say they get power pass us. We no fit gree that one at all. Because this one our right, no be privilege, no be dividends of democracy. Na our right as citizens to get good roads. Our person they can't give, NDDC can't give road to somebody. How can NDDC give road? Person say that just indoor complete am. Una not come inspect, una not come say na lie they talk. Una give am the money. NDDC and their evil thing wey they do for there. Nigerians no go gree for that one any longer. See gutter for inside bush. This bush part na road o. This bush part na road. My brother, you come and tell me something. You did this area now. You know about now your community. So, face here. May you tell me what you know reach for this road.
This is Igueben Girls Road.
Yes.
Now our road they abandon for how many years? It don't turn to bush.
Okay.
Because maybe we they beg them. Maybe Basaki help us beg them. Maybe they call repair for us.
Okay.
So they suffer. Because inside bush we dey.
Okay.
Road ways about the very fall enough waka. If you waka for now you dey fear. The road now by grace very the waka follow am. We beg Basaki we call help repair.
Okay.
I'm EDJ of this Igueben.
Okay.
Say
na NDDC na carry this job.
Yes, na NDDC.
And they just na only signboard and gutter they give una for this phase 2.
Na signboard and gutter they put the euro.
Phase 1 they just put signboard, they put small stone for ground. They just go. Okay, you go here say let us say lefty Samuel Osa. Now so they attack government. You know they talk anything government they do. Now so it just they do. Now you see something, you say something. As you see now they tell we come here and not fit sing for anybody. We I mean no say governor not fit dey here. That's why they draw their attention. And now their responsibility as they hear this matter, they go run take action against those faceless beasts. Now call them where they enjoy when Edo people they suffer. Just imagine the same Girls Road nowadays. So when they award where somebody just chop the money, he say Ebo go come o, because until response day we go mobilize the people of this area to ensure say they carry the person or whoever involved go ICPC. I will not go rest until that is achieved. You cannot eat your cake. May you eat am, may you still get am for hand. If you don't eat am, don't eat am. Our money anywhere e dey they go give us o. What we are asking is do the needful for the people. They have given you job, you do am. And na the Ministry of Infrastructure of Edo State me where they dey, what is their role in this thing? Because any contract that comes to Edo State, either from presidency or na state they do or local government, the Ministry of Infrastructure get vital role to play in terms of to ensure that they do the right thing, to monitor the projects, this project, to monitor am, to ensure say e no fail. But yeah, they'll just do work, they'll just chop money, they'll say both day, they'll just go, and people will suffer. When election will come, they'll come here, they'll use the people money, come they fight them. Say na the road na be this, so I don't know the kind of construction, whether na middle of the road. Me I no understand here again, whether na middle of road be this or na single lane. Me as I dey go now, dey careful. Me I no go fall, because if I fall here, my brother, ways don't go, age not this side like that. So my brother, I want to know, here na double side of the road. Yeah, that one not be road. Okay, now this side be the road. That's not be road. Okay. Now Igueben local government headquarters. Now na road wey NDC chop money, wey they say they don't do am. They don't seal am, and normally if you go to record you see say 1001 road for this state. NDC don't do am, they say they don't do am, and me I dey come. I want to interview some of these local here. Me I meet am. But this road now see now the same Igueben Girls College Road. Yes. Okay, no wahala. Abra, well done, oh. Well done. Yeah, bros, you reside here. So I want to ask you. They say they award this road to NDDC. What do you know about? I want to know because we hear complain. So I will know say for record this road they don't do and finish. I bet tell us.
Don't they want that one last 2 years now? They do the gutter.
Only gutter, they just come out.
The other one are still here DDC. Only gravel did that one gutter.
Okay, they just come out. Okay. Well, in a year from locals now they are see the Igueben local government headquarters. Now we they ask her to now the headquarters of Igueben now a day so. Meanwhile, I can't ask question. Well done, sir. Well done, madam. Yes, sir. How are your family, sir?
We are cool.
Yes, sir. Now this road matter. This I think guy help me with the name. I forget the name. No, I want to get am clear. Udumedo, Igueben Girls Road. Na one road.
It's na one road.
Okay.
Straight to where?
Okay, straight to where? Yes. So the Oyibo name wey get na be Igueben Girls Road. Yes. The native name na be.
The place when you pass na Dumedo, the community when you pass.
Okay, na Dumedo we dey now. Yes. Now we don enter now. Yes. Okay, na that Igueben Girls Road. Yes. Okay. Oga, we hear say they contract the road, sir, and they not do the road.
They do the road since, but they never comply. We don't know wetin happen.
How long now they abandon this project now?
It's about 2 years now.
2 years. Yes. Now only this gutter they put for now here. What about flooding for here now? It be rain for.
If rain for now problem. We don't see everywhere.
I just want to ask because may not be saying that me go to fabricate the story. Because when me want enter just now, man, me my ways not go. Me not go bring. No say age not day like that again, and I need to see the artist service. So now so sir, your name sir. Okay, thank you, sir. This program na NAIJA watch, okay. Na get am, and for inside the TV wey they take watch na NAIJA watch. This program wey dey waka from community to community, they call am Ewanta. That truth na dey tell body. We no fit blackmail government. We no dey partisan. Na the matter just be no friend this side. You just knack am. So thank you for the information, sir. Because it go me ask una make not talk say we go fabricate the story. No. Thank you, sir. You now fit watch this program for YouTube. Now the same road that day, I don't cross from Igueben. Now Igueben, I don't enter that community for Igueben. like it didn't do so. But meanwhile, now the road matter where they abandon. Now I see the waka so. Although I be done this conversation before when I do the last introduction, because rain be one pursue me, I say no need. Me I waka around, I don't know when I go come here, come Igueben again. Now make me come. I thank those locals who carry me come here, who use me waka. Just imagine, because I want us to see the level of poverty they create to our people. And they talk and say poverty is created, and those things na deliberate thing, na very deliberate thing. Because they don't want many people just grow at all. So the only thing you do na to put them under control. Because any sensible authority of government, when you award contract to people, you go monitor them. A contract cannot be not fit dey ground for 2 years and nobody can look am and nobody talk anything about am. And when you read front, there may I see that play will be like say small bush here. May I round off the program. Well done, sir. Good morning, afternoon. Good afternoon and good morning tomorrow morning in advance. Well done, sir. My name is Lieutenant Samuel sir. Okay. I'm reporting for NIGERIAN Watch. Now, Edo people wey dey abroad now get this program. Right. They want to see various locality dey for Benin, for Edo State, their home. If I say Edo, all from Edo State, regardless the kind of dialect wey they speak, because they want to see so that they fit engage those we elect. Say why it be like this. Oga, this road I was told say they award that to NDDC. I just see the signboard now. I take come from Benin today. Okay. Come see and I see and say na only got they give you now. Oga, just tell the experience. Your name first, sir.
Na only got we don't need like that. We need me tie road main day.
Okay.
Because this not see this quarter now. This quarter it lead to expert for that side, general hospital side.
Okay.
And this one still boss out for Dumogbo side.
Okay, this side where I face now.
Yes, it's still boss out for Dumogbo side for expert side for that side.
Yes.
And the environment very good place, but this one where this is water what they come put for here now we not like her.
Yes.
Not like that. We need tire road for here.
Okay. Your name, sir?
My name is Wednesday.
Wednesday, which of your dad? You be able, ma?
Me na Igueben, ma.
Wednesday what, sir?
Romoseli.
Okay, well done, sir.
Well done, sir.
Thank you very much,
welcome.
Sir. I'll go. Me know say the governor go listen after I don't watch this thing, because we believe say na front they look, not they look back. But as you see this one, in go hard. Now when he not hard, who go believe say in join waiting they worry us. But meanwhile, we go carry this matter, go show am, because we know say leadership e not see easy, but those who take the task say they want lead us, they must know wetin they follow am, and they must try to prove themselves to the people. Say yes, they are capable. One of the reasons to show say they're capable na be when your people cry to you, tell you wetin they face, and where other people want cheat them, you go say no. These your people give your time, their effort to make sure say you dey where you dey, so and you take oath say you want to protect the good people of the state. So now that one now go make you vex say na lie you not gree, as you as this our governor wey dey now don already talk am say he go die for Edo people, because he don talk am many times. Not the one wey I watch or tell you I dey talk, the one wey me don see am, wey him don watch, and the one wey him don dey talk. But me, the one me don see am talk one on one, not be the one I watch. And with those such seriousness, me know say him go react for this kind thing. Although I not dey in mind, because I know say some of people go dey sing praises for am, but me not fit sing praises. Now for me to go show am say this place in Igueben, in Akokwedo, in Ekpoma o, anywhere e dey Oriom or Ovia o, anywhere e dey, na my duty to carry this train of NIGERIAN Watch go there, go make the governor know say I be where I dey now supposed to be road. This grass where they follow now supposed to be road. You see na the gutter side na I dey, so this road just see the stretch go that Igueben college road na see the stretch dey go, so e come spread go across other community. But me I believe say na where this gutter pass na the contract reach, but why they go do only gutter leave the road? Na the road be this. I dey with the good people of Igueben, na the community of Igueben local government area na dey, and at the headquarter gone na dey. I just see cross enter other community, even though I don't know the community, they don't mention one for me. because I get many things for me and not the feed. Remember, there I know what I will do to improve. Now to ensure say I write them for paper, which I'll do later. You can see now. See the road with this. Me I waka pass here. Here now. So now see gutter on this side. So and the gutter now they go just be the now they go so. Now see the road. Now day. Now my guide be that to they take me waka. I don't feel appreciate enough for his time because many not they feel the command. But when one kind young man, we bold, we not no fear. And most of us now we don't believe say fear na killer, so we no one know him. Because after all, one day I go enter mortuary and even a house, nobody enter mortuary, it not be house anywhere you see you manage them like that. So for the fact that man must die, there's no reason why you should be afraid. Say the truth alone, as the only scripture talk, now I will save you. You see, yeah, now another foreign connected, now they come this kind of place. So Sadosia, this road now endless road, as it said. Say this road lead to many communities. NAIJA land that day, so Igueben local government headquarter. Not be outskirts of it, local the headquarter. Now the road we did, all those places now erosion. I say me I feed the good people of Edo State. People they suffer. I tell them that they say if Benin City be the way it be, how you go see other part of the state? Here in a small one, I never see anything. Like I said, if Benin City is as bad as the way it is, the capital city, like Ring Road, you see the part dirty inside. You come over market road, over market, you see say already open high. People cut those shops, the protector, the gate, the fence, they turn out to shops. They get revenue inside. If that one can happen, nobody they talk. Where leaders see work for waka pass of Benin State capital, nobody will talk. So you imagine what it will happen for capital, for interior like this, like Asket like this. Now Asket with this, so now local government headquarter, but don't in the state capital. But if state capital dirty, the way dirty, waiting you expect. You see where they kind of let the pass. So now to just tell you, rain never fall. Now small things going touch ground. Though this moment your scatter body touch ground and now the whole place be like this. Now the road just see they go. So what's the name of this junction? So now same road. This one now the time. What's the name of this road? This one they don't do one. They end down for this. Okay, now see this one is C4 C4 project. They end down. What's the name of this road?
This one is Dumogbo Stroke Tomikimi Road.
Okay, Dumogbo Stroke Tomikimi Road. Yes. Okay.
That's the name of this road.
Okay.
Whereas this very road is still the same project.
The same project of NDDC.
NDDC
with the gutter, yes.
Phase 2 NDDC
project.
Igueben Girls Secondary School
Road.
So linking Idumogbo and Idumedo community in Igueben.
Okay.
In the administrative headquarters of Igueben local government.
Okay.
That is the road we are currently doing.
Yes.
So I would also like to take a view to the end because we are gradually approaching the end of the project.
Okay.
So if you look at it very well, the gutter is still very coming.
Still coming, yes. Going, yes.
So still the phase 2, whereas they have claimed that this project is completed. We are happy that we have NAIJA world as an opportunity to tell the whole world the evil that was done against the average Igueben man on this project.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think the governor is taking note of this. The governor, the executive governor of Edo State, is taking note of this. You see this place here on far, so where me I manage down. You not get one B. Now water I take wash am. Well, na same road, the same abandoned road, the same abandoned road. Now the same Girls College Road, Igueben. Can see what people are going through, Edolite are going through in the hand of fellow Nigerians. Government will give a project, they will not monitor it, and you expect people like me to keep quiet so that I will not talk. For what? Okay, you see the gutter is on my right hand side as I'm going. The road is still very long. I've been working on this road now for over 34 minutes. Over 34 minutes to ensure that we'll get the information accurately to get on where I be. My guy, how far now? Hey, my bros, how about they? Yeah, brother. I can't look this road. They say this road, they abandon now. I bet near me now, may I interview you small? Oh, but how far now? You already watch this machine. My guy, come this, I want to interview you. Or no one interview? No need now, keep the complaint for your side. I don't want to take anybody off camera again. So now the same road, to see one of the things, they just have reason I feel at all. Reason to fear. I don't know. Someone is robbing you of your rights or what belongs to you, and they fear to express yourself. Eh? They want to beat you. Oh, I don't understand. Now same road that day, Igueben, administrative headquarters of Igueben local government area of Edo State. Nowadays, so yeah, not be small they take on small. Not get choice. And just watch sharp. Our train, not get not the pass. It be like tank. We get chain. All na chain go cross river, go cross everything. With the knack and they go as your be. Tell friend true, not this boyfriend ship. See, the war within Nigeria people never know is between the rich and the poor. And that war, that mentality need to change. But you change it. Even those of the poor also manage to find themselves in the corridor of powers. They will also forget their own background as people and say they now suffer of such attitude. And they'll just emerge with the same old thing they complain over the year before they can't see move from one level to another. This same road nowadays, so you can see gutter on the other side. Beneath city can be as dirty and people can behave with impunity and nothing they happen. What do you expect from aspect of the main capital city? See, and the road just go. This water is just flowing down. It's just flowing down. I think here now no access again. No access again. I think me I go cut and up here. Let me zoom and see. You see, it's just going. It's endless. Look at the gutter on the side. And this road was abandoned by NDDC phase 2 of this Igueben College Road. It was just deliberately abandoned. For their record now, this road, they don't complete and they don't tire. Maybe they don't even have street light journal. Everything is okay. But meanwhile, now here I round up this program for Igueben, administrative headquarters of Igueben local government of Edo State. Nowadays, they made this report for NAIJA Watch. My name, as I talk, now name way regular for this program. Now left somewhere outside NIGERIAN. That's why I end this program. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. But you, where they give power, you don't want to use them well. You get who pass us. Now God.
Hello Nigerians, hello ladies.
Hello my fans and the good people out there. Keep watching.
Keep watching it. What's up?
NAIJA Watch.
NAIJA Watch.